So it's been an estimate of 6-7 months since I've posted my last vlog. And ngayon, lahat ng clips ko from internship, from Christmas, from the first half or the first few weeks of second term will just be dumped into this one whole video. Sobrang naging busy, sobrang gahol ng oras because I was juggling internship and our thesis at the same time, and yung travel time ko from our house to the office sobrang nag-take up siya ng time, so wala na talaga akong time. And at the same time, I wanted to keep the memories here or upload them here para I can easily rewatch them whenever. So I'm just gonna dump it all here. Ang daming nangyari, sobrang daming clips na hindi ko na malagay dito kasi ang tedious na i-edit kasi sobrang dami, kasi naka-portrait pa yung mga clips. Pero sobrang daming memories na naganap during these 7 months. I'm grateful for the people I've met, especially to my ates in the finance team. Hindi ko na feel na co-workers lang kami, but like I've actually made friends with them. And yeah, also grateful for the lessons I've learned, and sobrang nakita ko yung real world and natatakot na ako. Monologues aside, watch us eat our food and listen to Ivy and I yap.
Hi guys!
We are working now. Actually, wala na kaming work. We are done.
We are now jobless.
Yeah, we are waiting for the time para maka-ads lang. May 1 hour pa tayo, girl.
May 1 hour pa kami para utusan nila.
Nga sila mautos sa atin.
Yes, because we are so productive.
Yeah, we are so
very fast working,
efficient.
Yes.
Nag-vote na sariling
No errors.
No errors, only canceled invoices.
Yes. Ano ba guys, I have kwento. Kanina, while I was in the kitchen cooking the donut pancakes, Charles from Colpal was there. I said, Charles, I'm cooking. Tapos sabi, intern, right? Tapos sabi niya, anong oras uwi mo? Yung Tagalog na guys, ang hirap. Basta English kasi siya. English siya, diba? Hindi, never siyang nagtatagalog. Nagtatagalog lang siya, sobrang konti lang. Tapos, sabi niya, anong oras uwi? Sabi ko, 6:30. Sabi niya, oh, same as us. Tapos parang parang kawawa daw ako.
Bakit? Kasi same tayo ng
Oo. Tapos sabi niya, that's part of your job, sabi niya.
Ay, cooking.
Habang nag-cooking ako, sabi niya, yeah, I'm a cooker. I'm a cooker here. Yes. Tapos naniwala siya. Sabi ko, no, I'm just kidding. I'm the finance intern. Nakalimutan niya na if magkakasama kaming nag-introduce herself na sa buong company.
Akala ko yung kakwento ko kanina sa earphones.
Ano yun?
Earphones. Kanina.
Sige. Guys, alam niyo ba? Yung boss namin, wala siya bigla. Yun pala, na-hospital na siya.
Oo, meron na ER siya.
Tapos, hindi pinakuha ata yung gamit niya dito. Siguro iuuwi na. Tapos, ang nautusan mag-ayos ng gamit niya si Tel. Tapos, nag-aayos si Tel ng gamit niya. Kinakuha niya ganyan. Tapos, nakita niya yung earphones ni Sir. Sabi niya, bakit isa lang to? Kasi yung isa, nasa tenga niya. Lagi kasing naka-earphones siya. Lagi siyang naka-earphones. Nasa tenga niya daw, guys. Bukas.
Bye, vlog. Bye, vlog.
Bye, guys.
Habang ina-edit ko to, I can't help but miss yung internship days. But at the same time, ayoko na ulit maramdaman yung pagod ko during that time. Sobrang nakakapagod. Pero pagod pa rin ako ngayon kasi it is the end of our second term already. Imagine, ganun ko siya katagal hindi na-edit or na-post. And I also want to vlog again na timely And I feel like hindi ko siya magagawa if ang dami kong backlogs or meron pa akong mga hindi na po post. Ayun, so I just wanted to get this over with. Hindi ko alam kung makakapag commit ako sa sinasabi kong vlog kasi sobrang busy, sobrang daming inaaral, but we'll see. During my 4 years in college, it is now that I am studying more than ever. I am busy more than ever. And I am really taking it seriously more than ever. So I think it would be a joy to look back on after some time kapag I'm in a different situation and a better situation, I hope, already. So I just wanted to say din na it was our last day yesterday for the exam ngayong second term and medyo alanganin talaga yung grades ko. And so I hope when I watch this after how many months, I'm really in a better place already. Medyo hindi rin ako nakabuelo during the start of the second term kasi 600 hours yung internship ko. So medyo nag-overlap siya dun sa first few days of our supposed review for the integ subjects. But nakahabol naman ako and everything. And now we're just waiting for the results kung bagsak, magre-remedial, or magre-retake entirely. Going back to the vlog, I would like my future self to know na even though sobrang pagod ko during these 7 months, dito rin ako I think super nag-enjoy sobra. Ang dami kong na-try na mga bagong bagay, ang dami kong na-experience, ang dami kong na-meet na mga tao, and it was a period of growth for me. I also spent my 22nd birthday, which is a birthday that I've been looking forward to. And hindi ako nagbibig deal ng birthdays ever. Pero there's something about 22 that I just had to order myself a customized cake in my favorite color. And I also spent Christmas with my friends this year. And it was my first sleepover with them after how many years of friendship. And finally, na-bookbind na yung aming thesis na sobrang pinaghirapan namin. And yeah. This video is short compared sa iba, pero naramdaman ko lahat ng pagod na naramdaman ko nung experience ko talaga yung nasa clips na to. But I'm most grateful as well for everything that I've learned. And I think that would be it for my sort of diary entry, but in video MP4 JPEG format. Pray for us as we take on the next term, and may your income always be greater than your expenses.